So when I tell y'all that consistency is not my thing, I mean it. Like, I'm so bad at staying consistent, but it's currently day 6. Whoa, wait. Stop. Day 6? That can't be right. I know you're probably thinking, like, why is she, like, talking about HTML? I wanted to be productive, so I decided to try to teach myself HTML, which is a programming language used to create websites. And I just kind of wanted to show you guys the whole process. I feel like such a nerd. It is day 1 of me trying to learn HTML. I'm learning how to set up an HTML document. This is the code that I've been working on with the help of the guide, obviously. And then this is the web page that it translated into. These are all the notes that I took today. I was contemplating if I should be writing notes, but I just love my handwriting, so taking notes. Overall, I'd say this was a pretty productive day. This will probably be my most productive day just because I was really excited. So it is currently day 2 and it's currently 4:50 p.m. So far I haven't started coding yet. I've been like doing other stuff, like I cut my hair. Now I think I'm gonna start doing something. So yeah, consistency goals right there. So when things get hard, I'm not even gonna lie, I would probably give up, but not this time. I'm making it my goal to stay as consistent as possible, so we're gonna get through this, okay? We're gonna get through this. So it's been like an hour. This is all the code for the table that I made. I did most of it, not most of it, like half of it maybe. And then this is the table that it translated into. So here I'm doing the table lesson, and I know I did like 3 lessons yesterday, but honestly I think I was just very excited. I can't do 3 lessons every day, and after I did this table lesson I actually ended up going driving, and when I got home I was actually like so tired, so I was just like, okay, I can't do another lesson. I'll just try and do as much as I can the next day, so that's what we're gonna do. So yeah. So it is currently day 3 and I'm about to start working on my HTML again. Hopefully I can get more lessons done today than I did yesterday. It's 12:44, so I actually do have quite a bit of time to like actually get stuff done. But we'll see. I'm about to learn how a form works. I don't know what a form is, but I'm hoping after I read all this and after I look at all this and do all this, it'll make sense. I have a 3-day streak. It's currently 3:17, 3:18, oops. And I just finished learning about HTML forms. This was very tedious. I'm about to take notes on all of this. This is the code I was working on. Ridiculous. This is what it translated into. Davy's Burgers. It's like an ordering form. And have a little submit button, and yeah, so this was a lot. It's only 3:18, so I can definitely try and get another lesson done today, or I could try and just soak in all this information first. So I last recorded around like 3 and it's currently 6:04, so I took a little break, but I'm back and I want to get through these notes, and if I have time I want to do another lesson if possible, if I'm up for it. It is currently 12:10 and I'm still on the, what is this? I'm still on the forms. I honestly just wanted to play around with it, so I added some stuff on the bottom here just to kind of get the hang of it, and I think I'm gonna be done for the night because it's 12 a.m. and yeah. So we are now on day 4 of me trying to learn HTML, and as you can see, I'm learning about forms, so like username, passwords, how you would set all that up. This was a fairly short lesson. Both of the lessons I did say were pretty short, which is why I was able to do 2 of them. as opposed to 1. Crazy thing is, I didn't realize how short everything was, because after I finished this lesson with the semantics, which is basically just putting the tags in easier to understand forms, there was literally nothing else for me to do. So yeah, the lesson is literally over. I was shocked, because you literally have to pay for all the other features, and I don't have the funds to pay for that. So I don't know if I should continue this, or if I should, like, you know, stop here and just like practice, or if I should find another source. But we'll see. I was so disappointed because you have to pay for everything. But I'm sure I'll figure something out, and I will show you guys what I came up with. So it is currently day 5, and I honestly don't know what to do now. Like, I just filmed a video for my channel, and I also have plans to watch a soccer game right now, and it's currently like, it's almost 3 o'clock, and I still haven't figured out what I'm gonna do. So after my soccer game, we're gonna see like what the plan is, because I don't want to like just make this a 4-day thing. But it's also lame how Codecademy literally makes you pay for everything. Like, and I know there's like millions of other sources online, but I don't know, I kind of wanted to just use that site. But we'll figure something out. And figure something out is exactly what I did, but I didn't really feel like recording today, so I will show you guys what I was working on either day 6 or day 7. Okay guys, I'm not even gonna lie, it's been like 2 days since I like last updated you guys. I basically did some coding off of Codecademy. I wanted to see how I could do it on my own, and this is what I worked on about 2 days ago. You can see when I click on the file to open in Google Chrome, it's just this little page about me and my channel, and then I even have a little subscribe here button where you can subscribe if you have not already. Make sure you do that. Then I even have an about page, and it's just like a little get to know me type thing. And yeah, I was just playing around and trying to see what I could do on my own, and I think it was pretty cool. HTML is not difficult. HTML is not really officially a like coding language. It's more so a programming language, and it's usually like one of the first ones people learn, which is why that's where I started, because I feel like I just kind of wanted to start from the basics. I think HTML is a good place to start. I definitely want to learn other languages in time. I am pretty lazy. HTML is not hard, so it really shouldn't have taken me that many days to finish the course. What I got done in like 5 days, I definitely could have gotten done in like 2 days if I was more focused and less lazy and more consistent. That break on day 6, there's really no reason for me to take a break, but I'm working on becoming more consistent and being less lazy and stuff. But it's hard because that's literally who I am, but we'll see. So do I want to pursue technology or computer science as a career? Honestly, I'm still not 100% sure. I've been going back and forth with it for a while now. I could think of lots of pros, like a number of cons as well. It's just why I'm just trying to teach myself now, and I'm trying to figure out, okay, is this something that I really enjoy, or, you know, am I just like fantasizing a little bit? But I do like the idea of it so far. I want to see more Black girls in technology and in computer science, because when I was younger, there wasn't really anybody like that who I could like aspire to be like. Hence why I didn't really, you know, look into technology or computer science when I was younger. Now it's like, okay, there might be something there, because technology is literally the future, and I can see there's like tons of opportunities that, you know, may be for me, so that's exciting. I know watching me code might have been boring for some people. I hope there are people who actually kind of like enjoyed watching the process. I feel as though documenting everything just kind of helps me be more consistent. So yeah, I hope you somewhat enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, of course, and yeah, I will see you guys next time.